Now another thing that I did while gluing the chairs, and I set the little table and chairs up over there now, but I got the countertop glued together, all the parts. Still kind of drying a bit. As you see, I have a tiny little fan here to dry these as I go. So that's what the bottom of it looks like. That's what the bottom of it looks like. And that's what the top part looks like so far. And it does have a side there and a side there. It does not have a back. That's what will be flush with the wall inside the house once I get the house together. But I do, however, have this little piece right here, which I'm going to have to glue on over here to this. Okay, that's going to have to glue there. And this little piece here is going to have to glue over underneath here, like where the sink area is, okay? So then I have to cut these out as well. These are also part of the kitchen thing, the kitchen counter, not kitchen thing, my apologies. So as you can see, once I cut these out, I'll have to fold the two little milk cartons, and I'll have to cut these little things out individually. They are really tiny. This is the stove top, which is going to be glued right to this piece right here. And this is the oven door, which is going to be glued right to here. So that is about where I'm at. I'm going to be doing that. And then I also have a little, in another little packet somewhere else, which I have to look around for because they put things separately, is a thing that I have to cut out to go around the edges of this little black piece. Now what cuts out and goes around the edges of this little black piece right here is a piece of paper, a strip of the paper which is colored. It'll glue around the edges of that, and then this will glue on to there, which will be the frying pan handle. And so that's what I have for that. And another thing I'll have to do is find out where the toaster is and other components that are supposed to go to the kitchen as well. For instance, you can see here they have something for a counter, or I mean a sink, my apologies. Something for a sink, and they also have a faucet for the sink. I will have to glue the faucet onto the sink and figure out what piece they used as a little sink right there. Plus I have another little piece of wood that I will have to glue right there on top of that little piece. So I still have some gluing left to do. Hopefully by the time I'm done, and there's a little frying pan thing right there, as you can see. So my guess would be that these are the strips for the frying pan. That would be the strip for the frying pan. I'm guessing this thing goes over the top of the toaster. Yeah, toaster. And there's a little egg right there, the paper egg that I get to cut out to put inside of the frying pan. So, yeah, I still have a long ways to go on this. And then I'll just only have a few pieces of furniture done.